Hi, I'm Sam from Fine Country. You join me in a delightful village of Willoughby, where behind me is the Parlour, a fabulous barn conversion that overlooks some extensive farmland with west-facing views. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. Developed originally in 2001, our present owners have continued with some incredible improvements to this beautiful barn conversion. It has all the hallmarks with vaulted ceilings and exposed A-frames, latch doors and beautiful timbers. But at the same time, there's some contemporary fittings with a bespoke kitchen, an impressive dining area, again vaulted ceiling and exposed A-frames, which is a delightful place to entertain. There are 5 bedrooms and some impressive refitted bathrooms and shower rooms. On the first floor, our vendors have created a wonderful lifestyle room with views across to the west. And neighbouring this is a master bedroom suite with its own dressing room, bedroom area and an impressive high quality bathroom suite with a freestanding bath and beautifully appointed fittings throughout. Outside, there's an impressive garden where you can appreciate the morning sun, which has been landscaped with meandering pathways and access to the kitchen. While at the front, you can enjoy those views. You join me at the end of this tour at the beautiful frontage of the Parlour, where behind me is some amazing west-facing views across the fields. And you can enjoy the sunsets and maybe a drink on the terrace beneath the pergola. But if you'd like to know more about this home, then contact me on the details that are about to follow.